everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mikey and today we're gonna take a break from my face and do a review and flip through of my newest 2019-2020 journal from Dayspring. So, marami silang variations and designs ng kanilang journal, but the one I got is the His Plans Agenda Planner, which is a collaboration with KatyGirlDesigns. So, this is so pretty, kaya ito yung pinili ko dahil watercolors and florals. I love it. So, it says there it's a 2019-2020 18-month agenda planner. So, the difference between that and a usual planner is it starts with July 2019 and then ends on December next year, which is December 2020. So Dayspring is an international brand and it is based on US, but here in the Philippines they have an official distributor, which is the Bible Journaling Philippines. I'll link all their description on my description box below and also the price in Philippine pesos. So guys, I really love this planner so much. This is my second Dayspring planner. So right now we're just gonna do a little comparison between my 2018-2019 agenda planner versus the new one, which is the 2019-2020. This one, my current planner, is the 2019 Be True agenda planner. So as you can see, they look a bit familiar to each other. They basically have the same concept on all their planners. So right now I'm doing a short and brief and fast flip through of what's inside my journal, and I'm using this as my personal planner. As you can see, what I really loved about the Dayspring planner is their monthly Bible verses covers. So they are very artsy, very colorful. I just love the idea of mixing art and God's word at the same time and on my planner. So that's really nice for me. Okay, enough about that. So now we're going to proceed with our review and flip through of our newest agenda planner. Let's take a look first on the cover of this planner. So it looks very durable and very sturdy. It's going to last you a long time because of its thickly laminated planner cover. I really like it so that the cover doesn't get stained. And of course, each tab is laminated for our comfort. And then they have a gold spiral metallic binding on their planner that doesn't fade. And look at the cover design. If you love florals and watercolors, you'll definitely love this. So this is how the back looks like. I actually just removed that sticker right after filming this video. So here are the details. And now for the flip through of what's inside this planner. So I'm going to stop talking now and enjoy my flip through. thoughts about it on my review and flip through of this agenda planner. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and comment, and also subscribe on my channel and turn the notifications on to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless!